You will be a carbon so Fambra channel so said the onim Bernard J. The way I never see Conan had be at the Bremo daily sports update, the performance of Ghanaian players abroad, match highlight, Ghana Premier League, and seminar. But yet the Ghana Premier League match week 5, and I did a review and so teams are user or more modern any results I told ya, and the way I supporters see a dim come off. You want to put some more teams in the yano, and then the way I no see corner, you be the home common affair, the league table, no, and so at to Ghana fee. Moving forward, the way I know be CFR corner, get the Ato AOBB and T. Oh, how on your eye. Medin Benjamin Piaco Gem for which my friend Ricardo Vaz. Name so you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Now, notification bell, so set up a video be out tomorrow. Won't so once have can be now if you want to watch my shibi, don't hold the way I know, and so it's the airco. And then, yet the after game, no, the way I could see Kasai, and the way I players need to see Kasai and Nano, and yet the Bower channel is so into the answer over Tamukuchu. Now I want to was here, no, I have video from a chassis, and so you could see yet because no, my boy, no, I did emu and so Eddie, no, my was one Tiano, and then they brow, and so our channel is so into the answer, you will stick and stay with us. Now, if you're the dear, holding now, and so at me, Eddie, among Ghana Premier League match with 5, no. Etuja started from Friday no Abra Kumasi Asante Kotoko etna Accra Sports Stadium any Legon cities and so at the boom after say Kotoko ball CAF Champions League prelim stage in a buy no on some ball no Adibu and so Mauritania na next return leg in the basso back because of COVID-19 2017 return leg in the Antimi Amba so Kotoko nya Vancouver intina say back na fi Ghana Premier League no me ball mo there after so many 2 outstanding games that's one Bible game and so free all so I'm against Legon Cities and game Kotoko winning game by a long goal but performance enya dia so Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters nani o makan sempi and so the afan ho kan the kind of investment in terms of players on say o man tieska bi mu do anfa to players but salaries are players never day and the way Kotoko buy management in buy sponsorship say bani adad now omunim say moving forward the team no ba be jele now if players no ma ba no kakra o ma wura team na no ma koyi and so am but as I start one go no na koso ba ama supporters na so go afu kakra but after Legon Cities match and we refer no so no dey to say goal scorer in there yen pardon strikers me hu so almost good moving forward be a goals ba na be koso aba ntinya 20% mo dey enko na yenti nsema masok no dey to jan ye ba na afere dey ho no enso timi da tuma
game but our boys shows that they were really, tuned in to take the 3 points. When the going got tough, they really did everything, to make sure that Legon City didn't score. And that for me is the most important thing. A good team is a team that at least the day that he doesn't, play at his best, but still manage to, secure the 3 points, I think it's positive and we'll take clue from that. We created the chances, but we fail to utilize them. We'll keep working hard. We'll keep practicing and keep creating the chances. At least we should have scored at least 2-3 more. By saying that, it didn't happen, and we only have to, go back home and work much harder, create more chances, and make sure that the next time we utilize them.
In Tiano and Sama, coach myself know the 2 about Kotoko and Legon Cities, Nombuli and some of the 2 and we are Kotoko fan now, we are worried because always a Kotoko ball La Unduman and so CAF Champions League Nima. We are Kotoko fan now, we are worried. It's a 1-1 goal now Kotoko Oceano. We need go out Kotoko share Legon Cities anti. Now we game look Legon Cities and in your chances are na omo betima ateka no abante fe no okulu enya chances bi brana ko betimi ateka na bi mpomatima dinkunim Bashir Hayford for Legon City scrap and so kan ho nsem asamoja ba game nim and so chances na ko edema okulu no bo anya bi die but tutum se na Legon City game no e wo soro a na Kotoko game na se I be your first half no Kotoko ball game ni ye because when line up and Kotoko start here Abrante fan of Kwame Ba was imposed Christopher Neti Botu Abrante fan of Patrick Asma Ebo Treno na center backs no was Habib and after Abrante fan Gani only Gina and Film and Film now it was Abrante a friend Atom from Pong and after a Abrante fan Emmanuel Kayeke eventually a man team you na pra and so the free game nim or team no wins na a Abrante your friend Emmanuel Jem Fidi no the captain and Abrante your friend Godfrey Siama Ebobina after nim hono was Kwame Poku and after Osman Ibrahima Onunya go no and so a pra at the free game the first half no na game no was good for Kumasi Asante Kotoko because some tactics on by no was working to perfection but after say prane bam you know like a fan same people because we a coach now book him now within first half no when your injury to two make for the so mujina for Obama now or striker was shegu on the dia sama no was a prayer na say the asem and so e dia babat Kotoko timi jina so etoko manim say the coach must no can say a good team na say dey nkoyi ma na watima wini enti or when side or from that side there Kotoko a good team internet sama but to the but fans no tete na nam kum na hwede wi ansem si kona as Kotoko fans no din ko hu as they look worried say players na ba o ha Abrante we say Muniru ba no ye chere hu the best out of ono because say praba ye keke praye na don fepon pra no gina fifi wona na manfo nchara ehunu bobo ni but Abrante fen Muniru enim no he is a good distributor and say all check passes no but he is a bad tackler or tackle ball na on nya de so what tackle at ball free player and but so tackle ball the free player and na the man say on distribute or more passes no fan to be as spaces war na got to take advantage of that there he's very very good into you be obet ma tackle ball no na chi and so that man no na be kuyi and so Abrante fan Muniru you hear game ni mu a someone from Pong be gina but one team anya adwuma ni ma Christopher Neti be she mfimfim ma someone from Pong ko 2 but still I don't man fa na Abrante ba ko mo kana sam so Evans Afemako Abrante no modern bono atima e bibi wo ho as a modern bono wo form modern bono wo form a no man share am kuyi because before season never start no when nsemo a communications director we refer no PG Mose kan fa Abrante no go bon no ho ontimi mo 2 games abra won shegu no na the we fire no and nam so man for and so disappointed kakra but season has started and the best part of Nyoma ese Kotoko nya no omunya to build a good team no enye day's job enti the way omo see bo games kakra no omo lose game no omo grind result omunya result no kakra no you give them the benefit of the doubt say no my quid am so Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no they look good so omunya result no kakra not convincing there but they look good fans no they should be worried but kakra with time no say no man na kuyi Kotoko players ni prepare and say who the team no eja prepare ni free kakra na say team no enso ejelia you get the best out of Kumasi Asante Kotoko because they have the men be over team Kotoko krana they have the men now met me and so I go to places so you be more time kakra because season of Kano Munusu and Tianko press the panic button Nenko fast in Miamba they are doing a great job kakra or more get themselves into the season once a preseason about take them fast in just a born as a yes and yeah but unya results no to go ball 3 games in the Premier League about draw me and we win back playing away from home Accra no more for a home but on say no more home games so sanity yeah fan sa and so and I'm so Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no as in when na omo form no beg get it to a stage omo pen there e bia nso betima kui and I'm fans no montam kutu na bia and so enti enkoyi emfama Kumasi Asante Kotoko bobo so that game back we can back so Friday no and so game back to us so ebusuan drafts and so tina fie e ma mediama and so konyo omo first win of the season as a Kotoko konyo omo first win of the season no mediama and so omo first win of the season before say statistics now you can't simply the media home because some of what we are not coach he's been there for bare 3 seasons because 3 seasons now no BBC na se league no ye twam ana se ye suspend ya ana me de man that top na players na okra omo no kakra no ho no keeping the players no na people were thinking say on ba statistics in fast na no man na enso tima ko ya mom but statistics no na no man chera emfa mom and after this game no ura your friend Samuel Boadu enso di nkomo kakra was say omo bend o catch say statistics no a na no ma be ko slow kakra before say o ma tima pick up and new manya against Abusuan drafts no ebe boa ama me de ma team no enso I get confidence now for ma get in shape now if you moving forward no ma build up on this win no no ma enso etimi akoye your statistics no because the media have been disappointing because said them big can say name say statistics in there they are clear favorite to make my winning league we are favorite to be winning league their statistics now West Paris so by hitting the ground running but almost statistics no ma enkuyi emfa mo first win aba after match with 5 no man now and akoye edam mo they are hoping say omituma build up on the win omunya against Dwarfs no ma enso team akoye dem omituma dem 2-1 against Abusuan Dwarfs. They had their first win of the 2020-2021 season Ghana Premier League no course one so nsem kakra if you hoba no ma Abusuan Dwarfs they known them say how say season no ma rough kakra against Lemon Wonders ombo game no kakra no mu coach na say you reference Thompson say as a you kakra na there but still they are still not up there. Said in our last season, more born na no na fi omo but as a result no kakra but said Dwarfs there. Now going to this game no na nyama dem form now you won't even give Abusuan of the dog chance so make my play against them. So that one was a win for team my friend Madiama Bia and Koyom coach said they will try to build up on this win. Said that Bia number Koyi at the Amom and so and Interlies and so tonight fi my team friend Bechem United and so etimi ekosho you new Bechem United say omo team no they don't play to win the Ghana Premier League at the say Interlies omo so Magic Ghana Premier League position no no and I know between who ye but omo the say entity players no na yen ton my European market yen ton my teams are on me ton no my iska so sure omo I know games no untimi nya bibre en kan fan but Bechem United win game no money now and this game we've got nothing to talk about but na game a teams me no or more philosophy no more ideology no can akwa because some players no now for me to their European market in no we wouldn't have anything much to talk about it but the best thing on that day is team friend Bechem United and so to meet team Kuma Interlies and so tinafia omo and so entimi ahwe and team after say Interlies actually a class of folk no now you are expecting say they will build up on that but omo and so entimi am build up on that omo first goal of the season but ya team friend class of folk and omo second goal of the season about at Bechem United but omo entimi and team Kuma ho they are hoping say omo next game be no omo to beat mahwe na be bia and so team akoye and so the among game back where bass be was Kawela United and have a team friend Kem Faisal so their starting season normal akoye at the moment most first win of the season ba the team Interlies abrom so meka back wa omo and so antimanti ntina ye hwe so omo so nya sa win no nanka ye hwe so omo so betima hwe no ma build up on it but antimi amasa na you wouldn't fault them too much because Kawela United they are in their form of their life after say omo ball last season we are try league nim and omo ensure enkoyi mom this season GMPC ba mu asika kakra piemu e wa Kawela United aso ye no ntumi so omo ball mu modern Ghana Premier League no omo kwa na that top I say zumadi omu di no ano enso e di pa ye Kawela United e ball mu modern after 5 league games no omo 11 points so I can say omo there's no that league top no ma ekoyi na ezo ma Kawela United so you wouldn't fought King for it Kawela United air bomb and they've been giving us consistent performance beer and so kuyi pa and so the Kawela United you wouldn't force Kem Faisal because he say Kem Faisal no ma toda no ma and cheddar emfa omo game ni bi omo game no but Kawela so chere say league table no that top enye fluke in terms of bomb modern with the kind of performance omo by no omo tumu a bia enso itimi koyi pa e ma tima your friend Kawela United omo enso itimi di nkuni still league table no nso ho and no enso na nsimi fi Kawela United enso na tima your friend Kem Faisal oboko ni enso by the air to anim enso e channel so you know to the channel please subscribe to the channel na notification bell so for more updates to aso the any air trem enso e Ash Gold and to my friend Elmina Sharks As good after 2 months ko free mu against Salatas or Burkina Faso no so pa fie e bo mo first game and mo winning by 4 goals to 2 they needed to come from a goal down and so much more be winning game because Elmina Sharks as no take lead no and sana Ashgood ever take no and so at me I win game no 4-2 and so why you give Ashgood thumbs up so more than because where the way results from Piano selectors on banana run or from but now some go down now some tape and so be winning and I say you've done a human's job indeed I shan't go and so to meet in Kumo so there are some team now yet tape you some to match Premier League no jet say na players be brilliant so to me free hall where but to say yeah Anabila Mo or share Mubarak receive or back Kotoko now players or free honor na say GD kakra no em so perform but season starting na performance no en sanku o mutena fie na Karela bo tutu na man for was saying say Karela there but with the kind of performance Karela give you know ama man for say sa result na ajugunya it wasn't any bad of a result so and so any Ashgood no first win of the season almost chef tima the friend Elmina Sharks 4-2 anoma and to Etmakoyi and Matima your friend by Ashgood Bobo Kuni pa almost over till they will build upon this na bibia and Etmakoyi and coach friend Milovan Sakovic after so by one first win into her na for to build upon it no friend champion and that's what say with Magic Ghana Premier League you kasa uti say Premier League so ultimate any that no reference Sakovic beboa na if ultimately na bibia and so etimi akuyere ma and when Sharks so they've had their own problems so where some to more bank rule and the way no masi kwa Elmina Sharks and no has not been that like Elmina Sharks but on one they say they will do something for themselves as easy they've not fed back but now call a year of Wasil and Clean Sports now you definitely know say Ashgood pick up scoring book now definitely now kwa goals no and so to the kuma and also the results are if you hold by the air too many and into all channels Liberty Professionals and so Esha Accra Great Olympics coming no omo and so anti Liberty Professionals in omo to omo what the upper and another man the results is bano and more so you give them times up to Liberty Professionals and so it me team clean and it's Great Olympics not Great Olympics is we no almost so bomb who body share team to say the constituents are coming and some no performance no was Robert omo and so tena home Liberty Professionals and so to make sure omo come you know and so anti General Stars also tena fie and so share back my 11 wonders and so to me share back this is one of matter am for can what me pa because over General Stars are season almost so modern and share ni sorosa because almost we didn't say the kind of coach he come we were friend Park was Fabian na last season before so buy no ball games na one to be na if you band him so be no my but almost start season no no ma enter MP mo strike fanya ya Mohammed Edin komo kasa ya sa if you go Kenya ade the go Kenya say the goals no will carry Adriana Stars to the promised land but over the way performance no SCIA e Adriana Stars game as on and off bia and share that end so any Ntomotina fie and 11 wonders we know 11 wonders going to take lead no before say Adriana Stars about take no it shows you the kind of state Adriana Stars and so team nyoma and cheddar and fasa and for my team your friend we Adriana Stars in Tiano so mutina fie and so about the performance them say Adriana Stars my no or munyam farmer in season so we are hoping say they will gather their thanks no more stronger now for Muntimi and where now omunye no mayi now more fans no nje na yen Ghana Premier League lovers almost start any team to make Magic League no omunche say they are putting up a fight to make Magic Ghana Premier League no and so e dey so na so Adriana Stars atina fie a share back 11 wonders and so it me share back coach your friend here Ignatius boy Jumaye 11 wonders say if say performance your boy no dey my I think say he will go to places or started about 5 games in the Premier League and going back when we lose against Wafa and so I was Ugakope and to her performance he drew against Kumasi Asante Kotoko winning against Ebusian Dwarves or her performance Ghana Premier League lovers you know is something to write from about a very good and a solid performance so what I say so we man no doc chance or boy let me wonder so maybe say yeah you know say till the real friend Ignatius say he will make it to the top 4 no definitely one day at the end of the season you know he will definitely make it to the top 4 you know and any Adriana Stars give me 11 wonders boy and so some kakra oha that el to man me na yanso yet ma wie what for and so tena fish me no ma brekum Chelsea and so anti can brekum Chelsea so they've had their own problems last season by this time the ball 5 you no team consider go back but this season you know no ma ensure enkuyi mfa mo sa no ma and so at the Cape North die by year the brekum Chelsea the kind of performance you know say they put up in a league season you know they check them who's performance you know and Wafa and so aside the enchine egwomu krumu omo show me come you know omo and so anti after one bomb body him say a bar way they are bad away travelers, but so much if you no body definitely you can trust them say they are going to give you the kind of performance we expected from Wafa and also etina fish minu my team friend Becum Chelsea and so me and the last game of the day and I said the last game of the match day about so Accra Sports and Wabra has folk and so Dreams FC show a car me and Sound Manti and Costa Papa during the first game of Tina Bench War and so full time it did my team friend across folk and Obasha me and Sano yes more there because my has folk supporters and because own Kai and Kai the last game my team friend across folk actually come and San the opponent and so me and because I know the performance was a A-star performance has folk fans now and so near Johnny hoping that this one may once in a blue moon baba talk to us so now if you are class folk you know almost on bomb wedding no supporters and something good to cheer about and so to my no money now and so to my create a moment Dreams FC so they've had their problems in himself almost after some told you so first so more any other players no more back be similar to and so to my create for can give no MP but has to folk the need for almost share come and Dreams FC and so anti-can so a good win for Accra House of Folk and so no matter but we are Accra House of Folk fan you wouldn't throw your hands in the air now on you and say no man na equate because we have a lot of games to be played legend obeje but to be to pass no wash House of Folk team but not there you give them say their performance was A-star or shall bunch of Ben Junior Patrick Razak is lovely to watch. Already we see Fabo, we see tormented defenders, on the right and left of the flanks. You trust him, say he's doing a good job. And Radio Voka yesterday he was adjoining the man of the match. Over the kind of performance of Fabo no left her. Now doesn't run no yet crosses no bush shot. You give him thumbs up. Say no, has to folk team was superb. I brand your friend Michelle Sapon about 2 goals, no 2 loans. Yes, I brand anyone more. The Abdul Aziz Nuruddin also 2. Played a very good game. Hatfield boys yesterday they were super Abibia and so to me create the moment. So we any match with 5 results and no estimate me to die there to win and so our Chinese so now be him our Ghana Premier League match after match with 5 no tell standings in the city team friend Kaula United about 5 games or 11 points. So now Wafa about 5 games or 10 points. Team friend Bechim United about 4 games or 1 game about or no and so 8 points. Team friend Liberty Professionals or no and so about 5 games or 6 points. Sounds now 11 Wonders about 5 games or 6 points. Team friend Elmina Sharks about 5 games or no and so 6 points. Ashgood about 3 games or no 5 points. Has Folk about 4 games or 5 points. To my friend Akumasia Santikot and about 3 games or 2 outstanding games or also 5 points. Sounds in the medium about 4 games with 5 points. Sounds in a Becum Chelsea Edaso on the 11th position about 5 games with 5 points. Dreams FC also 12 on and so about 2 games with 5 points. Great Olympics and so about 3 games with 4 points. Kim Freeze about 4 games with 4 points. But Dogs about 4 games with 4 points. Sounds not Interlife about 5 games with 4 points. Adriana Stars about 4 games with 3 points. It's not a good season for Team Adriana Stars. Sounds like Legon Cities and so at that form where about 5 games with 3 points per and so to winning Ghana Premier League after match with 5 and results are a 2 joining the rear standings and so to me and a day to winning and so so you know to the channel please subscribe to the channel and notification bell for more updates. Subscribe to the channel now as I come to share will be and so to make inside Maccabi maybe and so and to me I come so meet again we see about we Ghana Premier League after matches the results na bana fear the Tichimuka Kre and so to that one the league table and so a team at all. So to meet again we say bye bye.